Now, if I go back to the menu, click on audio source, you see there you've got FM, AM, DAB or Bluetooth audio. We want Bluetooth audio. So there you go, your tune on your phone here is playing through the speakers. If you don't hear it, just hang on. If you see this red triangle and 3 red circles, if you click on that, gives you iPhone or my touch screen. iPhone, obviously it plays through your iPhone, or my touch plays through here. There you go. I didn't realise, but you can also, I did that by accident, you can also fast forward or scroll through your tracks by using this bottom control. Really good system. Excellent.